Good morning, students. Today we are going to start our new chapter, Mother's Day, from our book Snapshot. And this chapter is really very interesting. And this is about, as you are reading the title here, Mother's Day. Yes, students, of course, this chapter is very close to the character of our mother. And after reading this, you will really have some change in your mind, that what should you do towards your mother, what are your duties and responsibility, how to make your mother happy and full of pleasure, having really a very happy and wonderful family. Students, actually this lesson is in the form of a drama means to say something that we can perform on the stage. So we have some characters, Mrs. Annie Pearson, Mrs. Annie Pearson, the main character of the drama, George Pearson, the husband of Mrs. Pearson, Doris, the daughter of Mrs. Pearson, Cyril, the son of Mrs. Pearson, and Mrs. Fizzle, the lady who lives next to Mrs. Pearson. It means she is the neighbor. Mrs. Fizzle is the neighbor of Mrs. Pearson. And all four characters belong to the same Pearson family. Only Mrs. Fizzle is differ. Actually, in the drama, there are two characters of lady, the Mrs. Pearson and Fizzle. Mrs. Pearson believes to make her family happy by doing her own efforts, and Mrs. Fizzle, she believes in her own freedom and liberty. She doesn't care about what the people think about her, and she never think that how she could make her family happy. In spite of that, she believed that how to make herself happy. Here we will read the character of Mrs. Pearson, how she is devoted towards her family. Student, this is a brief description of the stage when the play will be performed there. This is the scene of a living room, and the curtain, table, chair, furniture, that is according to the living room, because the drama when it will be performed on the stage, that is why this type of description has been given here. And here also there is a small description of the living room. So I am starting from the conversation of both of the ladies. The scene is take place at the home of Mrs. Fizzle. Mrs. Pearson is really very much tense because she is all the time avoided by her family members. Mrs. Fizzle collecting up the cards, it means they are playing the cards. And that's all I can tell you, Mrs. Pearson. Could be a good fortune, could be a bad one, all depends on yourself now. Make up your mind, and there it is. Mrs. Fizzle, what she is doing here? She is telling to Mrs. Pearson that it's up to you, that how can you make your life happy. कि कुछ भी अच्छा हो या बुरा, ये हम पर डिपेंड करता है, हमारे माइंड पे डिपेंड करता है कि हम अपनी लाइफ को कैसे बनाते हैं. Mrs. Pearson, yes, thank you, Mrs. Fizzle. I am much obliged. I am sure it's wonderful having a real fortune teller living next door. Did you learn that R is too? तो वो कहती है कि आई एम वेरी लकी कि मेरे पास आप जैसा फॉर्च्यून टेलर है एंड एक सपोर्टर भी है. शी इज़ वेरी हैप्पी टू हैव मिसेस फिजल एज हर नेबर. फिजल, आई डिड 12 ईयर्स आई हैड ऑफ. ये वो कहती है कि 12 साल में उन्होंने ईस्ट में स्पेंड किए विद माई ओल्ड मैन राइजिंग टू बी द लेफ्टिनेंट क्वार्टर मास्टर. He learnt a lot and I learnt a lot more, but will you make up your mind now, Mrs. Pearson dear? Mrs. Fizzle is saying that her husband was a lieutenant, that is why she spent more than 10 to 12 hours in the east, and now she is telling about the mind of Mrs. Pearson. Put your foot down once and for all and be the mistress of your own house and the boss of your own family. She is pursuing Mrs. Pearson how to make the mistress, how to make the honor of her own family. Mrs. Pearson smiling and apologetically, that's easier said than done. It means it is very easy to say but not easy to be done. कहना आसान है, करना नहीं. Besides, I am so fond of them. Even what is the them? It means them here. All family members of Mrs. Pearson, even if they are so thoughtless and selfish, they don't mean to be. Pearson is saying that all the family members are really very selfish. and they never care about the lady who is living in their home, that is Mrs. Pearson. In spite of that, she is really very careful and very caring about all family members. Mrs. Fizzle, cutting in, it means बीच में रोकते हुए, maybe not, but it would be better for them if they learned to treat you properly. बहुत स्ट्रिक्टली मिसिस फिजल कहती हैं, तुम्हारे फैमिली मेम्बर्स के लिए अच्छा होगा कि तुमसे वो अच्छा बिहेव करना सीख लें. मिसिस पियर्सन, येस आई सपोज इट वुड इन अ वे, कि शायद ऐसा हो जाए. फिजल, नो डाउट अबाउट इट एट ऑल. हु इज़ द बेटर फॉर बीइंग स्पॉइल्ड ग्रोन मैन, लैड और गर्ल? Nobody. You think it does them good when you run after them all the time? Take their order as if you were the servant in the house. Stay at home every night while they go out enjoying themselves. What happening there is? फिजल क्या कहती है कि तुम दिन भर उनके पीछे सर्वेंट्स की तरह भागते रहते हो, उनके लिए काम करते हो, रात को वो सब एंजॉय करने जाते हैं आउट ऑफ होम और तुम्हें घर पे छोड़ जाते हैं. नेवर इन ऑल योर लाइफ इट्स द रुइन ऑफ देम एज वेल एज यू, कि कभी भी लाइफ में उन्होंने तुम्हें एंजॉय नहीं दिया, कभी साथ में ले नहीं गए, ये उनके साथ साथ तुम्हारी भी बर्बादी है. हस्बैंड्स, सन्स, डॉटर शुड बी taking notice of wives and mothers, not giving them orders and treating them like dirt. कि तुम्हारे हस्बैंड को तुम एक अच्छे वाइफ के जैसे और बेटे को और बेटी को एक अच्छे मदर के जैसे ट्रीट करना चाहिए, जबकि वो ऐसा नहीं करते. एंड डोंट टेल मी डोंट नो व्हाट आई मीन, फॉर आई नो मोर देन यू हैव टोल्ड मी. और अब ये मत कहना कि मैं नहीं जानती उन बातों को जो मैं कह रही हूँ. इट मीन्स यू रियली अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट मिसिस फिजल वांट टू टेल मिसिस पियर्सन अबाउट हर ओन लाइफ, हाउ टू इम्प्रूव and what to do about it. Student, is really very interesting. Please read this again yourself. Tomorrow we will continue the chapter, and please learn all the character of the chapter so that you could enjoy it. Goodbye.